to every of my viewers. So right here I have my pipette and it is calibrated to be 25 centimeter, while my burette, the record stand, I have my solution of hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6, and here I have my base prepared in its diluted form. So all we have to do right now is to pipette this base that has been prepared using this pen. So you ensure you have it at the mark. We have it exactly at the mark. Then you release it gently into your conical flask. Now, please ensure that while you are doing this, you have every of your table, or you have everything in your table tabulated in the right order. Now, what do I mean by you having it in the right order? Your bullet reading has to be in centimeter cube. Now, a lot of us make mistake by writing final reading and neglecting this part. Now, final reading of what? Is it of that of the pipette? Is it that of the pipette or that of the burette? That's one thing we really need to be clear and sure of. So now, since the indicator given to us on this question is methyl orange, so and here we have our methyl orange, you just take 2 drops of the methyl orange gently into your base that you've gotten to pipette. Then once you're done with that, you stir gently while you release your acid given to you in the beaker. So there is color change. So make sure while you are doing that, you are taking note of your reading properly. So now at this point, I have my color change. Now, if I'm to look at this gently, I have it to be 12 points. So I have it as 12.10. Now, because of the fact that I would not like to repeat this experiment for about 3 times just to avoid wasting time, then my average titer value, which is my rough titer, since what I have as my first is 12.10 cm3, I can just try as much as possible to adjust something by adding 0.4 or 0.5. Now, the reason I said you should add 0.4, 0.5 is just to show that while you were taking notes or while you were having this as your rough, there are some mistakes that might come up. You might still have water there in your burette. So due to some of these external reasons, that is why you're having to add 0.4 to it, which is 0.40. I have to do this, I have this as 12.50 centimeter cube. So for my rough here, I can have it as 12.50, which is my final. Then my initial is 0.00. Now some people might be asking, so why are we having it as 0.00 for my initial? If you check your burette reading, it is calibrated, or the mark here is given to us as 0 or at 0. So that's what this one, our initial has to be 0.00. Now, why you want to take this titration experiment or this reaction for as long as you can decide to repeat, which is you refilling to the mark, or you can decide to continue. So if I want to take my first or my second, I can decide to just pick it up from 12.10, but just for